Hello guys, what's up? I'm Suresh Designer. Today I want to talk about how we can model some type of table with chairs. So I'm gonna start with the circle. I draw some circle with some radius about 1 meter like this. I click on the edges, I come to the material library, eternity info, and I increase the segments from 24 to 48 like that. So I'm gonna extrude this face about some number like 2 centimeter or maybe 4 centimeter. I come to my window, model info, and I want to change my unit from meter to centimeter from this place like that. Now I'm gonna draw some line from center of this circle like this, and I draw this line to this place. I draw another line about 3 centimeter, another line on green axis about 9 centimeter, and another line on blue axis about 4 centimeter. So another line from center on blue axis about 110 centimeter, and I'm gonna draw some line on green axis about 16 centimeter. Now I want to draw some 2-point arc, but before I draw it I want to draw some line from the height center on green axis about 10 centimeter. Now I come to the 2-point arc. I right click on this place to this place. I want to draw some arc shape about 18 badges. I click on this segment, I increase the segment to 24 to make some smoother result. Now I click on this segment, I click on the follow me option, and I click on that like this. So as you can see, our desk is ready. I'm gonna offset out this face something about 16 centimeter, and I'm gonna extrude the top about 4 centimeter. So I'm gonna click on it, I create some group, I right click on it, I want to flip along the blue axis, so I'm gonna flip along blue like that. Now I want to model some type of chairs, so I'm gonna start in a rectangle again. We have some chairs with some dimensions about 52 to 52, and I'm gonna extrude this face about 4 or 6 centimeter. I'm gonna click on this line. I need some copy of it, about 1 or 2, maybe it's good. I'm gonna extrude it again about maybe 54 centimeter. Now I come to the downside, I use offset option. I want to draw the holders for the chair, so I'm gonna offset it like that. Now I'm gonna extrude it a little bit inside, about 1 centimeter. I'm gonna create some group. Now I click on the rectangle again. I draw some rectangle with dimensions about 4 to 4. Triple click on it. I create some component with it. Now I copy this component like that, and both of these components to the other side like this. I click on one of them and extrude one of them again, as you can see, like that. So about some number like maybe 46, it's good. Now I select all of them, I create some group again. I want to draw some face like this, so I'm gonna find the center point of my circle on the green axis like that. So I'm gonna click on this chair, select one of these heads and take it to this place like that. So as you can see, the height of the chair is not good. I'm gonna take this point to this point. Now I come to the open one of the holders. So these holders are really simple. So I'm gonna try some other thing. I'm gonna extrude them a little bit more, something like 30, and now I want to create some type of patterns on them, something like that. And make these places empty like this. Okay, not bad. We have some problem back there, but it's not very important. So I'm gonna extrude it back again, some number like this and this. Alright, now I want to make this shade a little bit higher on the face, so now we have better result in here. I'm gonna click to this line to make it middle, something like that, and another like this. So I think everything is done. Now time for creating some type of copies. You can change the chair's model with clicking on this face and rescale it again, every type of number you want, like this. And I click on that. I'm gonna take some copies in 90 degree like this. I click on that. Now this is our table and chair set. As you can see, it's really smooth and good. I can select all of them, come to the soften edges, soften coplaners, and increase the softnesses of the chair. So I click on them, create some type of group, and move it to the origin point. Now, for example, I want to save this isometric view, and you can come to the default tree option. We have some window called shadow. I turn on the shadow. I come to the calendar, and I want to set the 2 days calendar like this. I want to decrease the darkness, so I increase it to decrease it. I'm going to set it on the 60, and I'm going to set it to the 90. Use sun as the shader, and I want to display from the edges. So I'm going to click on it. The clock is, for example, something about morning, 11 AM, like this. And I close the shadow option. I want to add some type of seconds like this. So I come to the style in model and come to the line options. I type 1 for the profiles, and I update my profile. So as you can see, we are in the same one, and our scene is completed. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, don't forget it. Please subscribe us, and goodbye.